Today I'm gonna change this the blade in this lawnmower. Why are you changing the blade? Because I was cutting my grass and there's a stump and start wobbly. And even the this right here, the cover for the filter, yeah, it's dirty. I'm gonna do all that. Got a new filter here and everything. Do a little tune up. So before you change your blade, first thing you want to make sure you disconnect the this right here from the spark plug. Yeah, this thing can start, you know. You don't want it to cut your hand off. So I'll turn this puppy on the side, like so. And you'll want to use a vice grip and to clamp so the blade won't slide while you turn the right there. One second, so I'll make a clamp right here. So that's when you try to start to turn this thing. The blade, see? If you can see that, the blade will stop right there, and this. Okay, let's see what happens. That's it. Hope I get it right. The socket, and this is the wrong one. So this is a 5/8 socket, and let's change this blade. I'll tell you what size blade before I go on. You want to hold on to this. And there she is right here. Hold up. And as you can see right here, this side is higher. It's tipping over like this. I don't know if you can see it. This side is almost flat, and this side is way out of whack right here. I'm not too sure if you can tell. But all right, let's line up the new one and see what happens. All right, guys. So here I got the new blade, and try to match these up as much as possible. You see, it won't do that. It won't even line up. It won't line up. So for sure it's bent. Alright, enough of that old blade. So here goes the new blade. But what happened here? It doesn't come sharp. I guess I just go ahead and put it on just like this. I was gonna sharpen it, but forget that. It already looks like sharp here. Just got some coating over it. Oh, by the way, there's a 21-inch. I'll leave this link to the description. Even though I don't get paid for this. Max Power people don't pay me, so whatever. I'll still leave a link. So the other thing I'm gonna do is check this shaft, see if it's bent. You know, you'll have one side, and then that's for sure that's a problem with the whole lawnmower thing. So let's see what happened here. This is like three quarters. 3/4. So I guess 3/4 of an inch. It's almost an inch. Yeah, it's about approximately the same. So thank God it's not bent. All right, we can move on. All right, now YouTubers, here goes a new blade. Let's see what happened here. There you go. Yeah, let's grab my stuff here. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. You're not gonna worry about this until it's almost time to tighten this up. See this right here? Let's drop in those slots right here. Alrighty, new blade. The only thing is, make sure you to tighten this up, we're gonna go the other way. So we're gonna put this now in here. So when we tighten this thing up, we'll be going this way. Alright. I'm using one hand by holding this stupid phone here. Make sure this tight enough because you don't want to fly up and cut you up. That shouldn't be good. Alright, I'm gonna put this filter in and try, so what happens. Alright, now I'm gonna change this filter. Change this filter right here. Oh my God. I've been neglecting this thing for a while. That's not good. I mean, sometimes it takes something to happen before you act on it. I should be more proactive, you know what I'm saying? Alright, well, here we go. Put this new one in. Whew, alright. Do I have enough gas? Yes, I do. And oil. Yeah, I just changed this oil anyway. Alright, let's try it out, see what happens. Let's try this puppy, see what happens. It's gonna vibrate. Send it to the grass. Oh shit. Guess what? My bad. Forgot to put this spark plug wire back on there. Right here. See, that's why it won't start. Now let's try this again. Yeah, no vibration. No vibration. So that's the way we do it.